Turning on or off device by smartphone. Hello everyone. This Wi-Fi smart switch costs $7. It can be worked with Alexa or Google Home, or worked separately on smartphone through Smart Life app. With the key Sonoff Wi-Fi Smart Switch MS10, we can easily find and buy it on eBay or Amazon, or any online e-commerce. In my country, it costs only $3.50 include shipping fee. Now, connecting input with AC power supply and output with our device need to remote control. This tool costs $2. I use 5-watt bulb LED to demo in this video. Connecting is done. This Wi-Fi smart switch is only worked with 2.4 GHz bandwidth. Now supply the input power to install device on Smart Life app. Use an email to register a Smart Life account, then logging. Tap plus in the upper right to add new smart home device. Scroll down and choose wireless switch to add new one. Tap configure. Enter our 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi and next. We have to set smart device to the easy mode installation. By the way, press and hold the button 5 seconds or till we hear the relay switching. This is pairing manual switch button. Now the LED is blinking rapidly. Confirm on the app and next step. We will be lucky if our device installs successfully in easy mode, because there are so many 2.4 GHz device in our home, which can be jamming the scanning operation, and I'm not lucky. Then I have to try on AP mode. Enter our 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi, then next. We have to set smart device to the AP mode installation. By the way, press and hold the button till the LED is blinking slowly. Now, the smart device will emanate a hotspot. Then confirm and next. Connect our phone with device's hotspot. Then back to the app. Now, it will be success installation with 100%, just wait. Device is online now. We can change the device's name. It works. We can add many smart home device into this app. anywhere our phone connected with the internet. We can remote control electric device at home easily. We can also set schedule or timer for device work automatically. In the situation the internet is disconnected, we can control through manual button to turn off. Thanks for watching.